Lakupiippu. Oh, Lakupiippu. Yeah. Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. The bells are ringing because today we have a new amazing product made by Cloetta Corporation. Or actually it's Malaco, but Malaco is part of Cloetta. This traditional skipper's pipe or skipper's pipe. So it's like a pipe made out of licorice that is like candy. So this is very dangerous product because this apparently will teach your kids how to smoke. So they have banned this on many countries. But I managed to smuggle illegal copy of this, so this is illegal product. I got it from the black market, so let's go ahead and open it up and see how illegal skipper's pipe tastes like. Now let's hope we don't see any police here, but so far it looks pretty good. No police around, so we can take it. Take the plastic wrap off. You see? The cover of this is really nice. Look, they have a boat and just really simple. Simple design, I like this. Oh, let's see what they have. Look! So it comes with 8 different pipes. And here we have one. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These aromas. These aromas are making my mind dizzy. Oh yeah. Skipper's pipe made by Cloetta Corporation. Let's take a sample. Okay, shall we? It's crazy. Look. So, licorice with some red dots on it. Damn. Medium body, high smoke quantity. I'm getting really like this old tobacco feeling, like it's old batch of tobacco. Okay, let's start to take it. Oh, you know, I should not have made this review in minus 20 degrees because it's not soft anymore, okay? Cancel the review, I go home and I take a bite when it's actually soft, because right now it's super hard. So let me go home fast and we're gonna finish it there. But I come all the way here to the big church just to make review, but it's minus 20 degrees. It fails because it's like super hard. Yeah, I'll see you soon. We are home and now the licorice pipes have been defrozen. It was a big mistake to film a review video in minus 20 degrees. The product, it freezes, and also your hands, they get very cold. Like my fingers were numb after filming that one short video. But now it's all good. I can actually smell them now. Very strong licorice smell coming. Before I couldn't smell them because they were frozen. It was too cold. Yeah, let's take a bite of skipper's pipe. That is actually like soft. It's still a little bit chewy. Maybe the structure of the candy got ruined a little bit after they freeze. Or maybe it's because best before date went 2 months ago already. So they got a little bit harder. But at least now I can taste them. I think they used to be softer, but they're still pretty hard. But the taste is coming up. The classic Cloetta licorice flavor. Cloetta is one of the most traditional licorice makers, I think. Swedish company. And they make a good licorice. They make salty licorice, they make normal licorice, they make everything. I also like their chocolate. They have the Kex chocolate. That one is really good. And the Bilar, the cars, you know, the Bilar car candies, they're really good. Swedish classic tradition. Yeah, I remember when I had this as a kid. And then they banned them because it promotes smoking. But now it's back on the menu. You might have seen the Finnish guy, the famous Finnish guy, Uncle Sam Patriot, who reviews these licorice pipes. Check out Lakupiippu video. I will maybe link it in the description or something, but he made super funny video about this. And like 10 years ago, it became a viral sensation on the internet. Lakupiippu. Yeah, this is good. I'm a little bit sad that I didn't review this earlier. I remember I bought this in last summer and it has been in my storage for half year over. But unfortunately they expired. Even though it was wrapped around like plastic, I think some air got in the package and made it too hard. But maybe it's better because you slowly eat it now. It's like slowly melting in your mouth. You get full licorice sensation. And also a good thing is that it doesn't go between your teeth. Because sometimes when you chew licorice, it goes between your teeth. But yeah, this is very soft licorice flavor. It's not so strong compared to like some licorice from Netherlands. They have very strong licorice flavor, but this, I think this is good for beginners. Like if you have some foreigner friends who never tried licorice, give them one of these. They will like it. Look how hard it is. Oh, I will ruin my teeth eating this. Yeah, definitely recommend for licorice friends. Skipper's pipe. But make sure to eat it before best before date because it becomes hard. Or maybe it was the cold, they got frozen. I don't know. Either way, thank you Cloetta. Thank you Swedish people for making good licorice. Bonus points for the shape and the idea. Like it's pipe. It's so funny. And minus points for the people who tried to ban these. They really tried to ban these because they supposedly promote smoking. I ate these when I was a kid and I never smoked. So I'm a perfect example of like it doesn't happen like that. Same thing with like Grand Theft Auto. They say that the game is too violent. I played Grand Theft Auto Vice City when I was 12 years old. And look at me. I never done any crime. I never done any violence. If you like play the game, violent game when you're young, you don't become violent. Exactly the opposite. Because you see how horrible the violence is in the video game, you don't want to do it in real life. I think people who don't play Grand Theft Auto, they're the ones who become more violent. So, same thing with this. Give your child skipper's pipe, so they pretend to be smoking, and they don't end up smoking. That's my point. I hope you agree with it. Many people do. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. And leave a comment if you tasted this or not. Thanks for watching.